So this is gonna be a ghetto as fuck video on how do I do my fuel pump, because hello, I'm using my phone, so it'll be pretty bad. Hey dude, how are you? Oh yeah, good little man. Good little man. Alright, time to quit fucking around. Oh my god. Perfect. So you're gonna need 19 and 17, 19, and the banjo belt's 19. There's 17, there's another 17, and yeah. I will remove these connectors to attach them to start the process. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the new fuel pump is in with the new banjo. The factory fuel pump leads to power the fuel pump. I rewired them back in as the ex-owner, replaced them with an aftermarket pump and the screw-on terminals. So now that this is all done up, I'm gonna give it a snug up and then try to crank it. We've fucking done it, boys. Started up and running better than she's ever ran before. Give her a little bit of a rev. You know, she's had a little bit of oil in her. Oh my god, that sounds a lot healthier. Holy fuck. Okay, she's getting a lot more fuel, which is excellent news. And she probably won't feel like dog shit to drive anymore. Holy crap! Wowee.